Why pay a fortune for a gaming PC when you can score a killer setup right here in Egypt? Alright, here's your budget build for 2025. For RAM, grab 16GB DDR4, about 1500 EGP. CPU, the Ryzen 5 5500 is a solid choice for 3800 EGP. GPU prices are wild, but a used GTX 1660 Super goes for around 7000 EGP. Motherboard, B450 for 2500 EGP. Case and power supply combo, hunt down a decent one for 1500 EGP at Compume or El Arabi. Cooler and fan, 400 EGP, maybe less in Bab el Luke if you haggle hard enough. Total, about 16,700 EGP. Pro tip, always check local Facebook groups for deals. They're a goldmine.